Have you ever felt paralyzed by a towering goal or daunting challenge, unsure of how to take that first step? It's easy to become overwhelmed by the sheer magnitude of our ambitions, leading us to procrastinate and abandon our pursuits altogether. But what if I told you there's a simple yet remarkably effective approach that can transform the most stubborn procrastination into a series of achievable steps? In today's Odyssey, we'll explore how the powerful technique of Kaizen can be applied to our daily routines, work habits, and beyond, proving how the smallest changes can manifest the biggest goals. Before we dive into the inner workings of Kaizen, it's important to understand its origins. Kaizen was conceived by Masaki Imai in 1986 as a systematic management methodology that had both evolved Japan's economic domination during that decade and a small automaker named Toyota. Through Kaizen, Toyota became famous for the reliability of their vehicles, while increasing time efficiency of employees, eliminating production waste, and maximizing resources. This created a company-wide culture of relentless pursuit of improvement. This gave them a comfortable lead in the marketplace where they could invest much more than competitors in research and development. This led Toyota to create the Prius hybrid, hydrogen fuel cell engines, and hundreds of other innovations, cementing the company's position as the leader in auto manufacturing. Today, more than 80 years after its founding, Toyota stands as the world's largest automaker, a testament to the transformative power of the Kaizen philosophy. News of Kaizen methodology success spread like wildfire to other industries, such as healthcare, education, government, and even psychotherapy. It has also been adopted as a part of many individuals' core values who want to achieve their goals and overcome their challenges by practicing continuous improvement on a day-to-day basis. Let's explore how you can implement Kaizen in your own life. Its mastery lies in implementation of the following key principles. 1. Goal setting. Start by clearly defining your objective or the challenge you want to overcome. Break it down into specific, small, manageable tasks that can be realistically achieved. 2. Incremental steps. Tackle your tasks through small, incremental steps rather than attempting major overhauls. Set easily achievable deadlines for each mini milestone to maintain momentum. Make sure they are consistent baby steps, not large sprints that will discourage long-term pursuit of your goal. Kaizen itself means small continuous changes. 3. PDCA cycle. Systematically approach each task using the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. Plan your approach, execute it, evaluate the results, and make necessary adjustments before moving forward. 4. Continuous improvement. Adopt a mindset of never being satisfied with results. Constantly look for opportunities to learn and grow, then enhance processes by enacting tiny improvements outlined in points 1 through 3. 5. Quality focus. In all your endeavors, prioritize quality over quantity. Strive for excellence by consistently improving the caliber of your work and outputs. 6. Eliminate waste. Identify and eliminate any unnecessary, non-value-adding activities, processes, or resources that hinder efficiency and productivity. 7. Self-discipline. Through your PDCA changes, cultivate personal commitment, self-discipline, and a strong work ethic. Maintain order and follow established standards diligently. As you weave these 7 principles into your daily routines and habits, remember, Kaizen is not a temporary fix, but a lifelong practice. It's an ongoing cycle of self-reflection, course correction, and continual refinement. Approach this journey with patience and an open mind. Some attempts may lead to incredible breakthroughs, while others may only reveal insights about what doesn't work. As you see your improvements manifest, feel empowered to mold these principles to your specific needs and goals. One of the most famous examples of Kaizen is the story of the British cycling team, Ineos Grenadiers, who went from being mediocre to completely dominating the sport in just 3 short years. Their coach, Dave Brailsford, daily made 1% incremental improvements to every aspect of their training and performance, from equipment and nutrition to sleep and mindset. Brailsford found that embracing a 1% shift in your actions and mindset can unlock 99% of the untapped potential that you wouldn't otherwise know is there. Hitting a goal is not a destination, but rather a never-ending process of finding new opportunities for reframing new advantages that are often overlooked or ignored. Thank you for embarking on this enlightening odyssey with us. We hope you found this video both enjoyable and informative. Please comment below. We would love to hear your story. Subscribing is a form of bookmarking the channel to see more of our awesome content. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next odyssey.